bolt ya caliper inatolewa, then you press the piston. Kisha press the piston, you replace the pads. Ajim mtakuwa mechanics bana, watu wanafanyanga hii kazi YouTube. What's up everybody, welcome back to another amazing episode. You already know what time it is. And today we have here Range Rover. This is a Range Rover Sport. Inafanyiwa checkups, engine checkups na wheel checkups, brake pads and all that, as you can see there. This is a 3.0 diesel V6 engine, twin turbo. Nothing major inafanywa, ni checkups too, because mwenyewe anasema tomorrow he has a journey. So what you can see here, this is a Throter part. It is Throter body. The Throter itself is here, that's the Throter. So inafanya some cleanups kabla iende. So let's get on with the checkups. So we are currently removing this wheel due to check the pads na disc. Ndio ziko hali mbaya hivyo. You can literally see. So ndio inapiga jack. So tuchangamke. Hiyo mnaona hapa inatolewa, inaitwa brake sensor. Rear brake sensor. Hii ndio ina detect kama brake pads zimeisha ama hazijaisha, so hiyo iko sawa bado. On to the brake pads. Unaweza fanya kazi ya YouTube? Unaweza fanya kazi ya YouTube? So the brake pads hizi zimetoka. Hizi they need to be replaced. So tunangoja pads zikuja, alafu to continue the video.
As we are waiting for the brake pads, I was cleaning up the Throter body of the Throter. This is literally what I was doing here. And please consider hitting the like button and subscribe to the channel if you have not already subscribed, and I shall gladly appreciate it.
Purchase your tracks today.
Na basi. Kizungu. Yeah, no, that's the Throter being. Say hello guys, this is but this is the fucking Chichi. Oh, it's trying to. Who's the flat? No, that's the what? Hose pipe.
That's my YouTube channel.
That's a hose pipe, turbo hose pipe. No, Throter.
The physical
hose pipe being returned back to the Throter.
No,
the Throter is back on the engine. Now we are assembling the Throter. Nilikuwa niki clean up previously, and now we are back. So let's fix it and we wait for the brake pads. Also nimenoti cover imetoka. Also consider hitting the like button and subscribe the channel button kama you subscribe, because you already know we bring up exclusive content in this channel. So let's get on with it. Walimesemanga siri ndio tunaundaga ndani kwenye hizo ni range hizi ni wewe. And yeah, tunangojea pads zijakuja bado, zikikam tutafix pads ndio hizo. Alafu gari inazoenda kwenye inaenda sasa.
Ndio kuna braking force.
New brake pads zimekam. This what? Fabi. So installment ya one side is going on. Tumaliza hapo, go to the other side. To the second side now. In bolt ya caliper inatolewa, then you press the piston. Kisha press the piston, you replace the pads. Hadi mtakuwa mechanics bana, watu wanafanyanga hii kazi YouTube. Mtu anasema si kitu naweza jifanyia.
Jaribu.
Kimrambe.
Jaribu.
Kimrambe huko.
It looks so easy. Fine. Lakini usijaribu kuteka gari yako.
Nataka bana Kimrambe. Worn out brake pads, you can literally see the difference thickness ya pad here and here. Unaona and that's how we do it. So turudisha mguu sasa, turudi gym bana. I think you're not advised to use this hydraulic jacks, like si mbaya, lakini sasa inatupia kazi mingi sana. Ukiweza kuuse the hydraulic kwa ile inatumianga ile rod ile tunatumianga, please consider using that. So we need to piga jack here ndio ikuwe easier for the wheel to kuingia. So let's get on with the video. So hivyo ndio unafanyanga brake pad service za nyuma, za mbele ziko fiti. So thank you very much for making it to the end of the video. Hit the like button, subscribe kama hujasubscribe. Peace out.